Hello everybody. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today we are here with an exciting new review. Today I have in my hands the ILIKEHAIR 5x5 pre-cut HD lace kinky straight unit. I know that's a lot, but let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So it does come with a wig cap, a rat tail comb, and it also comes with this goodie bag with an elastic band, a edge brush, and some elastic bands. So this is the wig, you guys. So this is a 10-inch bob unit, like I said, kinky straight texture, and she is giving realistic, okay, as far as the hair texture. So as you can see, it's a 5x5 and it does come pre-bleach, y'all, pre-bleach and pre-cut. What am I going to have to do to this unit? So it does come with a removable elastic band that has like the bra strap clips, and it does come with plenty of combs. It comes with 4 in total, 2 on the sides, 1 at the base of the closure, and 1 at the back of the unit. And I must say, just looking at the unit, it does look like it's going to be a smaller cap size. So this is the unit straight out of the box. So I'm just brushing the hair back so you guys can see more of this HD lace. And look at these 4C edges. This is what's really going to make the unit look realistic, and it's your actual hair growing out of your scalp, because our edges aren't always perfectly straight all the time. So all this unit is going to need, just in my opinion, is a little bit of bronzer powder. I don't use liquid foundation or anything. I just dust it with a powder that's a lot darker than my skin tone, and the only thing that I had was bronzer, but it works perfectly. That's the only thing I do with all my units. So I adjusted it because I do have a small head. I adjusted the elastic band strap to be the tightest. So once I put her on, I did notice, yes, she does fit snug. She does not make my head hurt, but if you have a larger size head, this will fit small on your head. When I first put it on, I was like, whoa. It does look like my hair, like if it's freshly washed and blown out, but she was short. She is short. You know, depending on, you know, your length of your neck and your face and everything, it might look different on you, but it was short. So I was like, okay, let's see how this is going to look. But as you can see, it's glueless, and I'm going to install her glueless. Absolutely no glue, gel, or spray is going to be holding this unit down. And look, this hairline mimics mine absolutely perfectly. I'm running the rat tail comb underneath so you guys can see that it is glueless and how HD this lace is. And she comes pre-cut. Y'all, I didn't even have to cut the lace. This is definitely a throw on and go unit. So it's ultra natural hairline. The texture is like it's growing from my head, you guys. And like I said, it's going to be glueless, so you can take it off daily. You don't have to keep this unit on for weeks and weeks or days. What I'm doing, I'm just brushing back the kinky edges just a little bit. I don't want to lay them down like baby hair or anything. And you can do this in the middle or side part, as I'm going to show you guys if you guys stay tuned. So this is her right out of the box. So I decided to do the middle part first. Y'all know I love my middle parts. I cannot stay away from the middle part. On the website, there is a lot of side part options and pictures. So I did want to do the middle part to start off with, but hang on to the end of the video. It will be a clip with the side part. Even though it's a 5x5, you can do a slightly side part. So here's what she's given with absolutely no product, absolutely no hot comb, absolutely nothing, straight out of the box. I did notice some flyaways that's going to have to be laid down. It's not anything terrible. And just to show you guys that these knots are bleached, I wouldn't say it's over bleached. I believe if I was to do my own bleaching, it would look just like this. But you can touch it up if you want with some black mascara or something if you don't like that look. So I'm just adding my wax stick like I normally do, hot combing it so it can lay flat, but I am careful not to flat iron the 4C edges. I want you guys to really see what those edges look like when they're not manipulated with. So I'm taking my large flat iron. I do recommend using a large like paddle style flat iron for this hair because she's thick. The hair is thick, but the density is super nice. Now it's a little piece up front that was longer than the rest. I'm not sure why, but I can just trim that. And the back of the unit, like at the very nape, is going to be very straight and blunt. So you're just going to have to take some time and bump that in the back. But yeah, this is me just going through pressing the unit. Y'all, this kinky straight texture looks just like mine and African American, either blown out natural hair or even relaxed hair, because my relaxed hair still has texture too. It doesn't get perfectly silky bone straight. But I am just going through and pressing this unit, and stay tuned to see how I continue to style it and how I just cut that piece there to make it even with the rest of the bob. All right, you guys. So I'm going in with my Fit Me foundation stick. I either use the color coconut or toffee. I believe this one's coconut, and I just lightly kind of make that part stand out by putting some concealer there. And you can go in and, like I said, if you don't like those over bleached areas, put some mascara on it. But I think this looks really realistic. I think it brings that part out to make it look natural. And you guys, still glueless. I had to lift it up and show you guys this HD lace. It matched my skin tone perfectly. It lets my skin tone shine through, and it doesn't give that ashiness. And look at this. It looks like a hairline replacement. It's crazy. It looks really, really good. And I'm not a huge fan of bobs, but this bob is seriously giving. Like, all I did, like I said again, was just brush back the edges to make it look super real. It looks just like mine. I don't want to manipulate those 4C edges any more than just brushing them back. But the hair is giving flowy, it's giving bouncy. So here's a 360 look. I love the kinky texture in the back. It just makes it look super real, but you can press that out more. The good thing about I Like Hair, their hair, when you press their kinky straight, those crimps do disappear. I just didn't take a lot of time to press the back because I want you guys to see the texture. But as you can see, I didn't even bump the very back where my fingers are, and it still looks really, really good. It doesn't look choppy. It looks very blunt and professional. So they really, really did a great job with cutting this unit. So it's not really anything I can say bad about this hair. Literally, this is one of the best bobs that I have ever used. This hair can definitely last more than a year if you take care of it. It's a natural black color. I mean, it's amazing. And yes, the density is 180% on this hair. And did you guys know this is 100% virgin hair from one donor? No wonder why it is giving perfect. It's giving perfection. It is literally perfect. So hands down, definitely check this unit out. This unit will be linked in my description down below. If you check out my Instagram page, it will be in my bio there as well. And like I said, I don't have anything negative to say. And you guys know I pride myself on honesty, and to be honest with you, pick this unit up. Definitely something that you want to have in your stash, in your collection, when you're, in those hot summer days and you want something that's off your shoulders, glueless, that you can take off every day, that you just don't have to manipulate a lot. This is a really, really nice unit. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you guys how this unit looks with a slight side part, not super deep, but you can achieve a side part in this 5x5 unit. So here it is, you guys, the side part. She is beautiful. So if you love this video, if you love this unit, definitely give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I love reading you guys' comments. Follow me on my Instagram page and become a subscriber if you guys enjoy my videos. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much, I Like Hair, and definitely give this unit a try. The link will be down below in the description. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.